Offshore wind and manufacturing are more than industries, they're opportunities for communities. The Local Content Insight series, powered by Vineyard Offshore, explores how these projects bring jobs, investments, and cleaner future to Staten Island and Brooklyn. With billions in economic benefits on the line, ensuring that projects align with public priorities is key. Local Content Insights use advanced data analytics to understand what matters most to residents, helping businesses and policymakers deliver real community impact. Vineyard Offshore's proposed Excelsior Wind project is projected to lead the way, bringing $2.6 billion in benefits to New York, creating over 2,000 jobs and investing millions in workforce training, small businesses, and disadvantaged communities. This isn't just about clean energy. It's about stronger neighborhoods, better jobs, and futures built for everyone. With over 20,000 voices already engaged, now's the time to make a difference. Be part of the change. Join Local Content Insights and help shape a future that works for you. Get more information on upcoming events at localcontent.com.